ice was so incredibly cute. I really liked it. I guess I saw one of the swimsuits in there and it was like $135. Ah! But it was 30% off, so it would have been like $95, which is still a lot. It's still quite a bit. It's so windy, but it's nice and sunny out. But what a cute shop. I did not ask them about the like butt glue. I wanted to ask them about that, but like, you know how like whenever you're swimming, and especially in the ocean, and like your swimsuit like rides up, I was gonna see if they have that glue to like keep it down, but I ended up not asking. I might ask them on my way out though, because I am curious to know about that glue and if like they carry it and what they think about it, if it actually works. I'm pretty sure it works though. It's what they also wear for pageants, so whenever you do pageants and stuff like that. But it's probably going to be very expensive in there, if I had to guess, just because it's a beach town and all that good stuff. But let's keep exploring. They've got like craft ice cream. It's like a little like grocery store in there. Cool. Sure. We're gonna go on that side in a little bit. Definitely have to be like super careful trying to cross the street because it's a little wild. So I haven't gotten to... Oh, that's really pretty. That is really pretty right there. Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that beauty. Wow. Certainly feels like a street feel over here. No parking down here. It's very interesting. They don't want people parking, I guess, because they need spots for their friends to park, maybe. I don't know. It's very interesting. There's their little water tower. Big old water cooler. Lots of pay to park. Ooh. This guy on his bike. Yeah. Yay! Another little view of it without the cars. Look at that, the white picket fence at the beach. How fun. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Sometimes I think about how incredibly blessed I am to live like on the edge of the world. And it's one of those things that you just don't get like used to. And what I think has taken away some of that beauty is so much of the greediness of our world that feels like, yeah, let's charge people to park their car. As I'm gonna show you guys, all these spots that I've walked to has been asking people to pay to park there. And it's just silly to me. It makes no sense that you have to pay to come to the beach. I mean, obviously you could Uber or Lyft, but it's still charging you to come to the beach and to enjoy what God built. Like, you didn't do this, man. So like, why do you get to charge for it? And the reason why you charge for it is because it is free. And so you decided to put like a price on what is free, right? And I just don't appreciate that. Oh, that car was able to go all the way through. Let's see what this sign says. I'm gonna read all the signs. So it's just reminding you to pay to park, which is like I said, awful. There it is. Gorgeous beach. Beautiful sand. It's just lovely. Person is talking to the lifeguard, asking if it's high tide. You can definitely see that the water is extremely choppy, like extremely choppy. Especially like if you looked over here in comparison to right there, what a difference. What a difference. So people are allowed to fish out here, which is another thing I don't think is like very fair, that people can fish out here while people are swimming. There's not like it's a specific area for fishermen or anything like that. It's just go wherever you want and fish, and that's dangerous. It's super dangerous. The reason why it's so dangerous to fish where people are swimming is the simple fact that if you fish where people are swimming, then sharks could come right there where they're swimming, and like, that's not cool. That's not cool. So what I like to do is I put on my first layer at home that has it's like the cream sunblock that I put on at home, and then when I am out and I start getting hot, I'll go ahead and put on the spray. Today, because I'm just getting a chance to take a moment to explore and show you guys around town. It's like you are my my house guest, and I decided to show you around the little town, the little beach town today. I decided to wear my my little shoes you guys saw in the clip where I was just putting on my sunblock, because it's a lot easier to like walk around on the sand and on like the little stones that are on the sides of the road when you're walking and stuff. It's a lot easier to like maneuver around if I have on my little shoes. You obviously can see I have on my swimsuit like underneath here and my little sundress that I'm wearing today, but this way I can actually, you know, be comfortable while I am showing you guys around, and it's very high tide, so I don't think anyone's going to be getting in that water today unless they were surfing, which I don't see any surfers out right now. Typically I do. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you guys. There is a live camera for beaches that are like everywhere you go, all over the country, all over the world. You can see these like live cameras, and it's so awesome. It's so amazing that you can like watch people like at the beach all over the world. You know, the camera, I never thought to go and like watch live on like YouTube and stuff. You can even go to like different websites. You just type in like live camera and then put in that beach. They love to show a lot of Hawaii ones, obviously. They're very popular. But you know what else is really popular that I think about? Hello, the Mediterranean Sea. Oh my goodness, I've got to go see if there's a live camera for that, and the Dead Sea. When I went, I had so much fun. I can't wait to share some of those videos with you guys of me going out to Israel on my pilgrimage. So much fun. So much fun. Oh my goodness, what is this lady doing? Oh, I thought she was feeding the pigeons. Never feed the pigeons. Some of my favorite places have the little window, that circle window where you can like look out at the water. Love that. And the beach is just right where we came from. On the other side, through there. Now we're on this side. These cute little coastal places to live. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So I just left that open house. It was absolutely gorgeous. Let's see what's over here. But it was absolutely beautiful. The lady was so incredibly nice. I can't wait to talk to her some more. So that house was over $2 million. And it had, let me think, 3 bedrooms and I want to say 3 baths, but the bathrooms that are upstairs only had, I think this is like some kind of hotel or something, only had showers, like really tiny showers, and upstairs they had taken this area of the room and turned it into a glam room, but it was huge, like a big glam closet type of thing. It was just so beautiful. It was so beautiful. It had like the touch mirrors on like one of the mirrors, the one that was in that glam room, which I didn't really care for, but as a whole, this is beautiful. This is like incredibly gorgeous. Oh, this paid parking all over though. Like, you really have to live in this beach town in order to like experience being out here, just because like you just kind of being someone who comes out for the day. Certain beach towns are just not, you know, they're not about that life. They're not about that life. They want their private beach, and that's what this is. So, but yeah, I love that house. It was so beautiful. Oh, and then there was like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know. there was a private deck, like a private deck on the like top of the house. So this would be like the back. This is like, I don't know what that is, a rental or apartment style. So that's the house right there. Oh my gosh. This would be like the back of it. And then this is like where people are fishing and stuff, everything. Are people swimming? She said that people can swim, like the kids come out and go swimming. I don't know about that. She said it's not the intercoastal, but more of like a pool. I don't know. It's amazing, and today I'm seeing like a lot of tourists here on Saturday, like a lot of tourists. And something that I had learned from her when we were talking is that her and her husband, they own a beach house property here that's like at the end. It's called the South End. And the thing about that is like their family is like from here. So it's a lot different for them because like they already had the house, so like obviously it's going to be a lot more cheaper for you to live there and pay taxes than someone who's trying to buy brand new and like own the home just like right out, because everybody wants to live on the beach now. Oh my gosh, but what a great, this has been such a great day. Such a great day. Oh, of course. Nice little bench for people to just take a little break. One of the other things that I got to learn from the realtor today is that a lot of the homes here are, how can I say, they don't have any closets. They're missing closets. So that is so wild to me that they would have no closets in them at all. And so a lot of the homes and the townhomes, they had to like build closets for people, or people have to like figure out how to store their things, which is like super weird to me because everyone needs a closet. But back in the day, she said they only came here as like their beach house, not to like stay. So they just packed the bag and went in that like that. It's a cute little alleyway. Loving all the trees. It's so cool that people build these privacy trees so that like everyone can't stare into their home. Nice. Exactly what I would want.
Lights, camera, action, baby, strike a pose. Phones and cameras out, just watch it all unfold. We're the stars of the show, ain't no need for filters. Living life through the lens, capturing our thrills. Put away your phones and cameras, let the good times roll. Our content creators got it all under control. From weddings to events, parties, travel and brands, we're living the paparazzi life, it's all in our hands. Lights, camera, action, we're ready to go. We're professionals, don't you already know? From TikTok to Instagram, we're taking the lead. Content creator, we're planting the seed. Get
social media explosion.